evening all. We are gathered here for case study discussion on applications of Coulomb's law. So we all know what is Coulomb's law, right? Before that, we all know what is the force of attraction and force of repulsion, right? Like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. So Coulomb's law is, Coulomb is a person who identified the force between the charges. So force between the charges is directly proportional to the product of charges and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. So this is, we call it as a Coulomb's law. It is a basis for designing various electronic components and also the atomic forces. So defining the atomic forces. So in today's session we are all going to have the discussion on applications of Coulomb's law. Okay, so let's start the discussion.
Hello everyone, myself Shivani. Now we are going to discuss about a case study on applications of Coulomb's law in real world engineering. Coulomb's law states that the electrostatic force between the two charged bodies, and also it is force is directly proportional to the product of charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. And also Coulomb's law is not only a theoretical form, it is also an application which helps in electrical, electronics and mechanical engineering.
Hello everyone, I am Tarni. I would like to continue this discussion with electrostatic precipitators. So in this application, by using how pollution can be controlled using Coulomb's law. So in many industries like thermal power plants release smokes which contains lots of dust molecules and harmful particles which may affect the atmosphere. To control this, by applying Coulomb's law, the dust particles are negatively charged and the collecting plates are positively charged.
So hello everyone, myself Yamna. I am going to talk about the photocopier and laser printers. So basically photocopier transfer toner precisely onto a paper. So how it works is using Coulomb's law. So the toner particles are electrically charged. The drum surface carrier contain the opposite charges representing the image. The Coulomb's law causes the toner and the opposite charges drop down the toner into the paper. So the outcome of this is it gives the image precisely.
Okay. Next one.
So I am Yoganila. I am going to talk about the conventional spray painting, that is the electrostatic spray painting. Here the problem statement is that this conventional spray painting causes the material wastage as well as it causes some uneven coatings. So we are going to talk about the application of Coulomb's law, how it is used in this electrostatic spray painting. Here we are going to consider the paint as the positively charged particle as well as the object that to be grounded or the object to be painted is considered as a negative charged particle. So here the Coulomb's law ensures a very strong attraction between these paint and the object. So here the like charges repel and it ensures the even coating in that. So here the advantages of this by using Coulomb's law is that the material wastage is does not happen and even coatings are done in that object.
Hello everyone, I am Vidya. I am going to talk about the inkjet printing technology. So usually we know in a printer we used to get black and white and color things, and we are in this problem statement we are going to see how these tiny ink droplets are accurately placed on the paper. So the applications of Coulomb's law is the ink droplets are electrically charged and the deflection plates create electric fields. And based on the Coulomb's law, droplets experience force and are directed to the specific positions. The outcome of this is high speed and high precision printings. So in a general view, the Coulomb's law are said to be that the controlled motion of the charged particles.
So I like to add on some points in future scopes in this discussion. In future scopes, Coulomb's law can apply in nanoelectronics, electrostatic robotics, air purifications, space technologies, biomedical applications and many other technologies.
From this, I am going to conclude that Coulomb's law is a cornerstone of the practical engineers in real life. This from electronic protection to the modern printing, the Coulomb's law helps in every ways. From learning the electrostatic force, the engineers can use this electrostatic force to innovate easily and safer.
We all had a discussion on applications of Coulomb's law, case discussion on applications of Coulomb's law, and you have discussed about electrostatic precipitation and about the inkjet printers, laser printers, and finally about the painting also. So the main base for all these Coulombs law is for all these applications is a force of attraction and the force of repulsion. So thank you all for your valuable points. Thank you.